Morning team, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Tom. Before I start the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to the guys who have already subscribed. 235 of you so far, mental. Never expected it, seeing my ugly mug on the videos, but here we are. So yeah, big thank you to you guys. If you're new, please hit subscribe, give it a like, because what I'm about to reveal is going to hopefully make my channel grow a little bit more. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to my pièce de résistance of the channel, my new ZX6R. It's not picture perfect. There are a few bits that it needs doing. Paintwork is actually quite good. Frame and everything is fine. There's no rust or anything like that. But overall, it's actually a really clean bike. Little things like the rear swing arm. Could do, you know, going over. The wheels are a bit scuffed up. They can be repainted if I really want to. Other than that, chain sprockets are good. I'm going to give it a service, you know, oil and everything like that. Needs the front brakes doing. I knew about that before I bought it. They are fucked. Ironically, as soon as I got it home, the fork seals went. So I've got to get it in for the fork seals. I'm kind of riding it, and it's not great, but a bit of fun, isn't it? So yeah, all in all, I'm stoked. It is epic. It's such a good looking bike as well. But the bike is completely standard. It's still got the original indicators. You know, it's not been messed about with at all. It had all the coolant hoses and stuff done and everything. So mechanically, it's all good. All in all, she's a hell of a bike. So what I thought we'd do is do the walk around. I'm going to get kitted up, get back on the road, and I'll join you when we're back out. And we'll just go for a bit of a cruise on these Cornish B roads, see where we end up. I quite fancy a coffee, so I might try and find somewhere out here. But other than that, there's not really any rhyme or reason to the video, just to show you my new toy for the summer. There's going to be loads of content coming up on this. I'm probably going to be riding this more than my Versys. I want to get away on it. I want to sleeping tour on it. I want to, you know, I'm going to do the servicing on it. It's going to be service videos and stuff. I'm going to upgrade it. I'm going to do all of it. I'm going to document the entire lot. So it should be quite fun, and hopefully quite a lot of content that a lot of you might enjoy. But yeah, so I'm going to see you back out on the road. Right, we've hit Nationals. What do we reckon? Winder open? Honestly, 23 years old and it's as silky smooth as a modern bike. Oh, straight there. I think this bit might get a bit fast. Give her a bit of front brake. If there's anything you guys want to see or want me to do with the bike, you know, go away on it. If there's whatever you want to see, just let me know in the comments, because obviously I've got some ideas, but it's always good to get your input as well, because obviously I want to create videos for people to watch. So if I have input from you guys, you already know what you want to watch, then happy days. Legend. And then we have it, guys, my new 2000 Kawasaki ZX6R. Time for me to get her home, have a cup of tea, slice of cake. If there's anything you guys want to see, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to know your input. I want to make some cool videos. If you guys have got anything you want to see or any ideas, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But for now, it's bye from me and my new ZX6R. Ciao for now, darlings.